Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the vlog. I'm not gonna lie, this morning was really difficult to get out of bed. It was actually Monday, which was my day off this week. Now, obviously, the very first chore that I always like to do in my mornings is to make the bed and then just reflect a little bit, have some morning stillness, have my coffee. I'm not gonna lie, coffee is the very first thing I grab in the morning, and then I grab my breakfast, which was super delicious this morning. I'm caffeinated, ready to kick the day in the butt, and then I do my skincare almost immediately. Now, it depends on the type of day, but usually I do my skincare after my very first morning ballet class, just because I get a little bit sweaty in the mornings after my coffee. I'm just a sweaty gal in the mornings. So I like to wash my face after I do those classes because then I have to wear a mask at work, and I just don't like all of the sweat, if you know what I mean. I like to have a clean face on the way to work.
Good morning. Oh my goodness.
And I don't know what it is, but whenever I do a ballet class or teach, I always wear makeup, but whenever I go to my non-dance job, I literally never do. So comment down below if you have an internet analysis.
Good morning, my name is Jasmine McDonald. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and now Sunday. And if you're also new, you may as well hit subscribe. Today is just a vlog, guys. I thought I'd take you around with me. I have a class at 9:30 and it's only a 45-minute class because I have to go get my teeth cleaned at the dentist. A very exciting day off going to the dentist. I'm going to go to Sephora to spend my birthday money that I got as a gift card to Sephora from Steven's sister. I'm going to spend my HomeSense money that I got from his parents. I'm going to clean the house with the things that my mom got me for my birthday, and probably bake some cookies. Maybe get my nails done or something, because I've really been inspired by so many people walking into my new work with really nice nails. There's actually this one girl who lives in the area and does like press-on nails, but I think I'm gonna get them on just because I want something special before we go on vacation next week. So I don't know, maybe I'll do that and catch you guys later. This is the outfit that I'm wearing. Everything is Old Navy, I think. No, I lied. These pants are from Winners and they have cute little pockets on the side, and this top from Old Navy. Even though it's my day off, I have a couple admin things to do for some of my clients, like some invoices and yada yada, some written work, and I'm going to work on my curriculum for next year's classes, which I'm getting so excited for dance teaching because it's obviously summer now. Even though we're going on vacation next week and it's kind of the middle of summer, I want to get a lot of things done before the end of summer because I know it'll just be a huge rush, so I'm going to do some of that today on my day off as well. I'm about to head out to the dentist, and I'm just wearing this very comfortable dress from Old Navy I got for like $6, and my Majori earrings, all these rings. This one's from Steven, this one's from my mom, and this one's also from my mom. And I do have a necklace in the car that I'm gonna put on to just feel a little bit more cute. And yeah, I'll take you guys with me.
I definitely picked the wrong outfit for today because it is cold in June.
After my dentist appointment, I did some much needed Sephora retail therapy as well as some window shopping in HomeSense. I found so many nice things, but I didn't want to spend too much today because I was waiting for my paycheck from my job. So I just window shopped and got some inspiration for our various rooms in our house, and then I got some sushi from the mall to take home. I actually visited my parents while I was in town. I needed to pick up a few things at their house anyway, so I had my lunch when I got to my parents' house. My mom made me the most delicious coffee in the world. She is such a barista. Look at how gorgeous and amazing and beautiful this coffee looks with some oat milk or almond milk. Mom, comment down below your recipe, but also I don't want you to share your secret recipe because it is delicious, amazing, and also her cats are the cutest. Ugh, this one, his name is Ghost, and he's so sweet, and this is Mittens. Oh my gosh, I have to stop, guys, because they're so cute.
I just got back from the dentist appointment. It was just a regular cleaning. I do have one cavity, which is very sad, which means I have to go back and get that fixed. Regardless, I went shopping after, and I got this a few days ago. I mentioned earlier in the vlog, I got a new baking sheet. I was gonna bake cookies, but now it's almost 4 o'clock and I still have to do my chores today, and I want to do a little bit of dancing, but I did get this rolly storage thing in hopes that I can better organize my life. My life feels very disorganized as of late. So I'm going to be dancing, then I'll go clean the house, and then I'll shower, and then I'll do this organization. I'm gonna show you guys what else I got at the mall because, oh my gosh, I can't speak. I'm gonna show you guys what else I got at the mall because after getting my teeth cleaned, I used my gift card at HomeSense, and I also used my gift card at Sephora, and I know you guys love a little haul. Guys, I just put peanuts out. Look at that blue jay. Oh, he's got a peanut in his mouth. Sorry. I'll show you what I got at Sephora first because that's my favorite. I also have a piece of cake in this bag that my mom made. She made banana loaf, or banana bread rather. I got this for my birthday, the Tatcha Sephora Beauty Insider birthday gift. It was the rice wash and moisturizer, which I really love and I'm gonna use tonight. I also got this foaming cleanser from First Aid Beauty, which I'm really excited to try because I love this brand, but I've only ever tried the moisturizer. So I figured I'd try the cleanser as well. I also got the Laneige lip balm. I'm obsessed with the Laneige mask, so I wanted to try the lip balm. The girl said it has a little bit of a tint to it and it tastes really good. So I'm gonna try that. And then I also got the Bite Beauty lip crayon, and they only had 2 colors. And the one that I picked is this really pretty reddish purplish color, and then just have a flyer from that. Now from HomeSense, I broke this. So I had to get a new one. Measuring cup, we needed one of these. That's it that I got from the mall. My mom also got me this mirror that we're going to put in our front hall, but it's in my car right now, and we're gonna keep it in storage for now because our front hall's a mess with the renovation of our bathroom. Give me these little things as well, which might go, they don't really match, but we'll see what we can do with them, but they're really pretty. I think they're from IKEA. I know you watch my videos, so comment down below if they're from IKEA. I'm pretty sure they're from IKEA. This one, do some ballet. I might cut my hair today too because it's getting really long. I like the long look, but I feel like for summer it's nice to have something that's not so heavy and that's a lot more low maintenance. And I'm going to clean the house a bit. I'm gonna vacuum, I'm gonna dust.
So this room right now is housing our bathtub, but little miss likes to rest on it. This is also our shower. Oh, hi. I'm going to vacuum and shower. Okay guys, I'm about to cut my hair, and the way that I like to trim it is, look at how greasy it is. This is not like gelled or anything. It does look nice and shiny and healthy, but to keep it even healthier, I'm going to trim it a bit. And I usually straighten it. I was too lazy to straighten it, but look at how long it is. I'm kind of proud of that, but it is the summer. These used to be my bangs. I am gonna cut it. Not a lot, but what I usually do is part it right down the center, make a couple pigtails and just snip it evenly on each side. So I'm gonna do that. I already have the part going. I don't really need to straighten it anyways, because the only part that's not straight is the very bottom. Just gonna make sure it's nice and brushed out. Yeah, my hair is way too long. Oh my goodness, it's long. I like it in a ponytail, but I don't know, otherwise it's unmanageable. Like at work, it's catching at everything and it's just not fun anymore. So I'm gonna cut it and then shower after so it's nice and clean. When I layer it, I just put it in a really high ponytail like up here, and then I just cut it upside down so it's layered. Like the back pieces will be longer because you bring it to the front, if that makes sense. That's what I'm gonna do, guys. This is so spontaneous of me. That was not good. Okay guys, big mistake. I mean, that's pretty good, right? Oh no, it's so not straight, is it? I'm just gonna see how it looks if I pull it out. Honestly, it doesn't look that different. Almost perfect. I can't even tell with the back. Oh my gosh. How does it look in the back? I'm gonna rewatch this footage and be like, oh my gosh.
Ha! I know myself too well. I did rewatch this footage and I am cringing at how uneven it is. Oh my goodness. It is like midnight and I'm about to go cut my hair for the 10th time.
Okay. You know what? I am liking it. It's not that short, but it's also not really long. Oh my goodness. Her claws need trimming.
Okay, so this is something that I do whenever I'm really stressed and I had a really stressful week. I have a really nice shower. I blast some music, aka Lizzo, about that time. Not censored though. And I belt it out after my shower. Then I made some dinner and it was really, really delicious. It was so nice to have a little bit more extra time than usual to actually cook dinner and not just microwave it. Because let's be real, when you work a 9-to-5 with another part-time job on top, you don't have time to be doing real cooking. Now we had this vintage wine.
If people ask how you are going to respond?
I'm fine.
Decoy, which is so nice. I love this wine so much, by Duckhorn. It is exquisite. It is beautiful. It is my favorite cab sauv, and I had that on the side for dinner. Me and Steven celebrated hitting 10K on YouTube, you guys. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe that we are here today. If you had told me a year ago that we would have 10K friends on my YouTube channel, I would not have believed you. I'm not gonna lie. I wouldn't think that people were that interested in my life and my journey, but I guess you guys are, and I can't thank you enough because it makes me so happy. And that concludes today's video. I know this vlog was very, very short. I am going on holiday this week, so I will try my best to keep uploading whilst I'm gone, or at least upload a few videos for while I'm gone. And again, I could not thank you guys enough from the bottom of my heart. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and bye now.